Hi, this is David Hughes with Wilder Use Genealogy. I want to share with you a procedure using Max Preview to add citations to images. So this is a free solution using apps already equipped to any Mac or MacBook. If you're a PC user, you can turn this off. You don't need to look at this. Look, I'm a PC user, so I had to research and come up with a procedure without a MacBook or anything in front of me. I used Google AI just to ask how to do this. It came up and it derived this from several different discussions out there. I want to give special thanks to Colorado Mountain College. They were able, the help desk there found a MacBook that I could use. I ran through the procedure and took a video of it, and we'll step through it right now. Okay, on the MacBook that I was using, I had my files on a thumb drive. I brought in my citation images. I found that all I had to do was double click and open the image, and the image opens up automatically in preview. I need to get this image into the clipboard to get everything started, so I select all and then copy to bring that image into the clipboard. I then start a new image editing by bringing in new image from clipboard. The first thing that we need to work on is adding the canvas so that we can add an image or add that citation, that is. And I'm going to put in a rectangle that I bring in as an annotation and show you how, if you look at the image, that rectangle just sort of disappears. That's the edge of your canvas. So we go into back into tools, and we're going to adjust the size of this canvas by changing the size of the image. So we go adjust size, and we need to unlock so that the width and height aren't locked together. So you can change with that lock or uncheck scale proportionally. We round up to about 57, which is about plus 10%. That's my rule of thumb, add 10%. So I need to select all again. And now this stretched out image, we're going to delete it. But there's still a canvas there. So now paste back from the clipboard the image. So now that's back at the right size, not stretched out. But let me show you this. So I'm going to put this rectangle back on. I'm going to drag it down and show you that the canvas is extended. So there, you see how it slips off, but now it's below the image. So that's our new canvas area that we've added onto the image. And we're going to put this rectangle, a little frustrating. Again, I was having trouble using the touchpad here, and let it paste right there. Now add text. Again, going back to tools, annotate, and there's text. And there are some shortcut keys here. Command T to bring up text. Bring down the text to the into the rectangle. There's an automatic centering hint there. I would center it. Grab your citation from wherever you got it, or you can type it in directly. But copy that and come over here and paste into the text box your citation. And there you are, paste it in. Now you have to resize the box and make adjustments. You can change the font. A lot of it was because I've been trying this a few times. It's defaulted now to my desired font and font size. But you can now change from Arial, you can change it to anything else. You can change the size. There's that little black box there. You can change the font color if you'd like. Now you've got everything. You can then, I did export originally, but it seemed Save also work. You could try either one, works best for you. But save, you need to give it a good title. Make sure it's in the right folder. This one, because I had been doing the saves, was already uh, defaulting to this annotation example, but you change the format and the quality. And you can see this was going to be a 5.8 megabyte file. You might try different qualities to see if you can get the file size down and preserve the ability to zoom in and see everything. So I closed out all the different files that I was using. Now I'm opening up the this file. Now I saved it as a JPEG. You could save it as a PNG, and often it defaults to saving as a PNG file. But here you are, you have the citation, you're all ready to go. It didn't cost you anything. So this is a great solution for you. So I hope that video was helpful. I have here the steps that I came with. I altered them a little bit from the original Google AI, but this is pretty close to what I used in the video. So you can screenshot this. I'll try to put this into the text below also. See if it works for you. Thank you.